Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I have very special, and guys, it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like. My brother, can you say hello? I see my brother right here. You good?
Yeah, hello.
I see you want to prepare going to school.
Yeah.
You know. Alright guys, so right now it's on Monday. I'm flowing with vibe to the end, and also I thank God, man, for the gift of life. When I wake up right now, when I'm alive, I say, God, thank you. So on these videos are very special, and I'm gonna interact with my brothers, with my cousins. Everybody's wake up right now, you know. Like, come and say hello. Hey, hello. You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah. Also, I see my brother. Mukwabe, come and say hello. That's my cousin. First one which I talk with, that's my brother, our third brother. The second one, that's our cousin. Also, I see my brother right there. So sometimes, man, I feel good when I have my family around, surrounded me, and I said, oh, God is good, you know. To have a family like that is not an easy thing. So right now, guys, I'm planning after you know, some few minutes, I'm gonna do some cleanness here, because you know, like, we sit at night making stories, you know, eating the food here. So right now, bro, come and say hello. That's our third brother. Come here. Guys, I'm showing you all my family. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
Imagine, I'm the first born, he was the second born, and also he was the third born. Alright. Greet people. Everybody say hello.
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 Wave the hand, my brother. Why do you like...
Hello.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Benson Mikwabi.
Louder, bro.
My name is Benson Mikwabi.
His name is Benson Mkwabi. And you?
My name is Samuel Mwita.
Right. Okay. See, morning routine, brushing the tooth. At the same time, my sister, she was kind of sleeping. I don't like to wake up inside my mama's house. So let me take you outside. Also say hello to my African mom. You see, my brother needs to go working at people's construction sites. This one want to fetch water. Wateka rwa masiko. Mama. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, on today's videos are very like amazing one. Mama maybe to be Kwanda. Right there. Au mayaku video and to go. These are normal routine. My mama, like mama sweeping, my brother need to brush tooth, running to do some job. This one here want to fetch water, you know, taking bath, going to school. Anyway, man, I feel so good. These videos, it's raw and cut, nothing to be hide, you know. You know, I see other people on the other side going to job, passing right there. Yeah, we have water, man. Look. Yeah, man. Hey. Hey. Anyway, guys, that's good, you know. Today I said I must wake up very in the morning, shooting the videos, find everybody, you know, around. Man, and the sun rise from other side. You see right here, that's the sun. right? Maybe. Yeah, that's the sun right here. But my camera didn't zoom, guys. I can zoom and then I show you. I see a lot of people going to work, you know, right there. People are going. Woo! So let me take you around as you know, rolling these videos. I see cows outside. Ama kama ndereva kufunga tana haraka. Mama, unajisikiaje kuwa na maji kwa compound?
Vizuri.
Yeah, I'm asking Mama, how do you feel having water in the compound? And guys, I realized the reason why maybe we're blessed to get this water at this point, when I'm standing here, man, let me tell you, it's very, very cold. Even I'm freezing. It's very cold. Where? Yeah. Let's see what I'm breaking. It's very cold. When I'm freezing here, I realized this tunnel have water, you know, inside here. So the guy who, like the first guy who I brought here to dig for me a borehole, he said, "Hello, maybe you dig right there, right there." I said, no, because my grandma borehole is just over there. They think maybe, oh, this and that to get water. And I said, no, here, right here. It's because, man, I'm blessed, and also I'm blessed and all stuff. I said, man, you're supposed to dig here. So today I see a lot of people right there. Wow. Okay, this is another story from Africa. Wow, look at that, man. Look how morning from Africa looks like. Very nice, very. So you know, guys, the reason being I wake up right now, I need to go and charge my phone because I want to release my videos early. Right now in my home here, no power, like no electricity, so I need to charge my phone and do all stuff, you know. So let's go this. Right now people didn't like prepare the land, planting for another season. You know, in our village here, especially in Nyanza region, we plant maize twice per year. Another place they plant once a year because of maybe the climate, no rain. But here for us, when the rain maybe go 1 month, the next maybe 5 months it's raining. So that's the reason why you see maybe our things here, it's green. For example, if you are my fellow Kenyan watching my videos, the place like Turkana, it's a dry season, it's a desert season, you know. Even getting water, it's a big deal, you know. A place like Samburu, it's very dry season. Trust me, they can receive rain maybe once a while. But for us here, even right now when you plow here, you plant maize, it can do well because that's coldness. When I'm standing even here, guys, look my body, guys. That's coldness. I'm freezing, man. I'm telling you. You see? I'm freezing. Serious. So let me take you that one. You see these veggies are doing well. You know, look at that. So amazing. And also, guys, I'm passing my condolence to one of my fans, Sylvia Viet. she lost his dad, and my condolences from Africa to Jamaica. May his soul rest in peace. You know, sometime maybe his daddy, maybe her dad, he was biggest fan of me, but he passed away. I'm sending my condolences from Africa to Jamaica. May soul rest in peace. You know, wow. Hey, my mama kills. It's doing well, man. Look, instead of maybe spraying chemical, my mama come with another idea. You know, putting ash. You know, sod. It's sod ash or what? Yes, things like that. Sod ash. You know, look, spray on top. On top. Yeah, man. Wenjo. Right. It ain't made open. It's okay hanging you. You see, we have a lot of fire right here, down right there. Hey. Yeah, I don't want to see my mama struggling. No knife. Hey. Okay, guys. I see some people here went to the job. Right. Hey, man, it's very in the morning here. Whew. Oh. Hey, I have another visitor here. Say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello YouTube channel. My name is Felista. Yeah.
How was everything?
It's not good.
Why? Because guys, I didn't see Felista's posting the videos. What happened? You know, people asking me, hello baby, what happened to Felista's? Nowadays, she didn't upload the videos. Me guys, maybe we stand here because of the sun. Me guys, nothing to do on that. Maybe she wanna explain themselves, and me I was, you know, shooting the videos around, and then I found her around here. You know, tell people what's happened.
Oh, my phone breaks?
Yeah,
That's
because it's all morning and then you work from your home. Maybe God brought you here.
So my phone breaks like 1 month ago. And that's why I'm not uploading the videos.
Yes. Guys, her story broke my heart. You know, me I was wondering maybe Felista's, you know, come closer here because of the light. Me I wonder because maybe Felista, she was giving up doing videos on YouTube. You know, YouTube is not for everybody. YouTube is very tough. You need to push, you push. Even me, when I wake up every day, I make sure I push videos. You know, I don't mind views. Yeah, I told you earlier, before you join YouTube, I told you, Felistas, you just keep doing videos. But your story break my heart. If your phone maybe, you know, if your phone maybe it's break, and then you didn't manage to do videos, oh my god, where is that phone?
It is here.
Guys, imagine. Oh, yeah, I see some cracks. Even guys, you see, it show you taking over. You see some cracks, man. It's so painful. I hope guys, everybody you see that crack. Like we don't want to break things, like faking things here. Look, even it don't shows like some lights right there. Look how it looks like. Hold like this, and then you see guys, this here is some cracks right here, or yeah, all of this crack. Maybe guys, I don't maybe people can see clear. Guys, I think you see those cracks. So that's the reason why we don't make videos.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How should I help you? Because me, nothing to help you at this moment. Oh my god. Guys, maybe if you're watching these videos from my side, let me know in the comment section what do you think about, because on my mind, me I thought like Felista. I think since you left in Mombasa, how many videos did you make?
Like 6 there, yeah.
6 videos?
Yeah.
And remaining how many watching now?
Mm,
Because guys, I was pushing her from 0 subscriber up to 1,200. Imagine from there, me I didn't see her posting videos.
yeah, I'm winning with like 1,000. Yeah.
1,000 watching hour.
Yeah.
Guys, she was almost like winning this war. Only 1,000 watching hour remaining for her. Please guys, if maybe she didn't upload the videos, you can watch the rest of the videos. And for those people who ask me, hello baby, what, we have our solid subscriber. Yeah man, what I believe, man, we have solid subscribers outside there who taking care of us here and there and watching videos every day. Even me, when I didn't upload videos one day or the next 2 days, people start commenting for the next video. Hello baby, why don't you upload the videos?
Yeah, I know.
Because we have other people, like when they didn't watch my videos, they didn't feel good. Maybe they think something happened to me. So me, I thank God. I just wake up at this morning. It's by God's grace. You see some chicken right there. We tied our cows. Oh my God. Hey. Guys, it's real. This phone is not working. If you think it's working, you can see. How am I going to stand so maybe people can see? Look, those is all crack. It's all crack. Maybe somebody, okay guys, if maybe somebody ask me how much cost on that phone, maybe to put new screen, if maybe one willing to buy your phone, how much?
This phone? For putting screen on, for buying.
Yeah, for maybe somebody watching these videos, yeah, look at our chicken right there. If maybe somebody willing, maybe say, oh, I want maybe to support Felista to have a new phone. How much?
So this phone is for loan. I was paying it for credit. Yeah, I supposed to pay like 30,000 shillings. I'm paying it for
30,000.
Yeah.
That's closer to 300.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they offer you a phone and then you pay slow.
Yeah, you pay per day.
How much per day you pay?
$10, not 10. 100 bob. I don't know how it is called. How I
that's $1,
yeah,
not $10.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, even me guys, I remember when I joined YouTube, I used my brother's phone because me I didn't manage to buy a phone. My brother have a phone for the loan. The same Felista told you it's a loan phone. So I normally work as a handman at the Junior's construction. When I get money, I paid, and then the access to open that phone, I can shoot the videos. Man, I struggle a lot. Also, the same pain that Felista, all challenges that are all problem that Felista's facing. When they didn't pay this phone, it's locked. When they paid $1, it's open, and they give you some the rate of month. Maybe you pay per year, you finish that phone.
Yeah.
So this one here on credit, you pay, you deposit maybe 3,000, they give you this phone, and also the total amount was 30,000. That's close to $300, and so because in our village here, money is problem. So if you doesn't have cash, if you have a little bit, you can run to the credit.
Yeah.
You buy the phone, and maybe you start paying slowly. So maybe let me ask you the second question. If maybe somebody wants to renovate your phone, did your phone working or not?
It will.
It will?
Yeah.
So how much did it cost maybe to put? I think guys, it's crack the first screen inside and outside.
Yeah, both screens are.
Both screen.
Yeah.
Oh my God! How much it cost? in Kenyan shillings, because I see maybe in terms of dollars you're not accurate. In Kenyan shillings.
I think I went to the repair shop. Yeah, they told me like 4,000 shillings.
4,000?
Yeah, because it is both screens.
Yes.
Yeah. You know,
Yeah.
one screen costs like 2,000 shillings. Then the other one 2,000 shillings. So that
Okay.
is 4,000.
Okay, guys. So to renovate her phone, it costs, $40. That's 4,000 Kenyan shillings. To put both screen, inside and outside screen, both screen, for $40, not $4, guys. So let's see, maybe if God opened the door, more things are coming. Because me, I feel so sad. If I mentor somebody else and then they're on that stage of maybe qualify everything, because she have already qualified in terms of subscriber, and she was remaining with watching hour. And let me tell you guys one thing: the moment maybe I didn't upload the videos, watching hour goes down, decrease. But the more I put videos, if maybe it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, at least watching hour remaining there or increasing a little bit. So for you, your story is another another case. Hey. Why don't you use your sister's phone? Maybe for example, somebody asked me, why don't you use your sister's phone?
You know, sharing the phone is somehow hard because she's using her phone, and sometimes she may not in our home, so it is hard. I think I put the video like 7 days ago. Yeah, I use her phone to post.
Yeah.
Like I think even right now she want to left home, so I don't. We will not sharing her phone. Yeah.
Okay, you still want to left your home? Yeah. Oh my God! So if you don't know, you still want to left her home, because even me, what I realized when I was using my brother's phone, they keep pushing me. No, bro, give me my phone. It's my time. I want to use my phone. So what should I do? Because maybe the owner need his phone or her phone. You know, it's very hectic to share one phone, like maybe more than 3 people, 2, you know. So me, I wish all the best. Things will be just okay, and keep praying. God will open the door. Because even the last time, guys, even I didn't remember the last video that you put on YouTube. Man, imagine if maybe she could, your daughter, and then come in front of you saying, Dad, Mom, you know, my phone have been cracked. Or maybe she could be maybe your sisters coming in front, say, my brother, my sister, my phone have been cracked. What should I do, man? You know, like in court, think on that, man. Please, if you wanna support her in a good way. You know, support her in a good way, guys. Because me, at this moment, nothing to do on that. Because even me, I'm trying to fight every day to make sure my family puts something on the table. My family needs to eat. You know, it's so painful to find her outside here. You know, maybe, to be honest, she came for the help. You know, and my help maybe which I can do for her, it's tell you guys, you know, the reason why she didn't upload the videos, the phone cracked. So maybe to renovate that phone, we can use $40, boom, and then she can able to access doing videos. All right, let's go this way. Me, I'm going. Yeah, you know me, I'm on the process of doing videos, and then I go back. I go around. Felista Stories. It's a series from Africa. Even right now, I know ladies like TikTok. Even nowadays, you didn't double click.
Yeah.
Stuck camera. Eve. Yeah, I know, guys, the behavior of ladies, 24 hours we find her on TikTok, double clicking, watching TikTok videos. Okay, stand there because of lights. Let's go. I'm escorting you, and then, things will be okay.
Yeah.
Don't cry. Sometime, even me, when maybe my phone gets robbed, there's a day my phone gets like somebody robbed my phone on a motorbike I was riding. And then I spent let me tell you, I spent like 1 month without posting videos. People said hello baby, hello baby, hello baby. Ask everybody from your hands why nowadays hello baby didn't post the video. What happened? No, I used my brother's phone to access. I said my phone have been robbed when I was riding the passenger from Nyabuhansa to Mabera. Like I put my phone on my pocket here. When I'm riding, I didn't know what's happened, because on that maybe duration of riding, and then maybe the passenger start, put the hands on your pocket and then remove the phone like chagara. And then when I reach at the stage or destination point, when he paid me money, I just take a U-turn, quick and fast. I came back to Nyabuhansa. When I stopped, I started, let me check my phone. Oh my God. And then I didn't know that person. I just like going to my pocket, I didn't find. Going to the road, I didn't find. I said, forgive and forget. I just forget. And then I stayed like 1 month without doing videos. People reached through, maybe some YouTubers, not some, people reach YouTubers in Nyabuhansa. They said, hello baby, why nowadays they didn't upload the videos? People come direct to me, said, hello baby, some fans are asking us, why don't you upload the videos? I told them, man, my phone got robbed. And I have one mom from Jamaica, but currently she was working in the US. Thank you so much, mom. If you're watching these videos, she bought me a new phone that I have right now, Samsung A24.
Wow.
It cost 40,000 shillings. 40,000 shillings, Kenyan money. That's $400. But she sent me something like, let me tell you, she sent me like that 5,000. And then I was having 5,000 on my pocket, saving. And then I buy a new phone.
Wow.
Yeah, for 40,000. 40,000 is a big phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for me, guys, I'm escorting her to go to their home. I'm telling her to stay calm. Things will be sorted out. Yeah, I think right now my brother will be going to close their school. I don't know, because I see some students passing here with firewood. Hey, so we use this route or this route?
We use this one.
We use this one. Oh yeah, this one, it's maybe a shortcut going to Nyabuhansa.
Yeah.
But this one's a long way. Oh my God. It reminds me in school when we have been sent firewood. You see? Yaje! Kimeenda shule. Mnafunga leo? Kesho. Yeah, I'm asking her, do you close the school today? They say tomorrow. Kesho. Kesho means tomorrow. Kesho is a Swahili word.
Yeah.
Okay, Felistas, for the last word, because I want to raise you, like I'm escorting you a little bit, you can go. The last word.
So, if someone watching this video and he or she is willing to help me, yeah, she can help me. Yeah, to fix my phone or to buy a new one. This one is, I'm paying for it. Even now when I'm not using it, the money increases because it is the phone loan.
Like you sign the contract, an agreement. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, like I have not paid for 1 month, so the money is increasing.
Look at that young boy. Arasi.
Yeah.
It's reminding me when was a young boy like that going to school. You know, I learned on the same school where my brother and sister learn. Okay, Felista.
Yeah.
Bye. I wish you all the best.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Guys, that's my sister. You good?
I'm fine.
Hey. Yeah, that's my sister. What's your name?
But I don't want
Yeah. Guys, I love my sister a lot. More than other people in my family. Me, I love my sister. Because without her, I couldn't vibe on my videos every day. And also, I love other brothers because I love them. But at the most one, I love my sister. That being said, we have only one girl. So that's the reason why I keep pushing love her. So, hey, people love her. So soon your bag is coming. Soon, new bag. Yeah, soon your new bag school is coming. Soon. Say soon.
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 Say soon.
Soon.
Yes, guys, my sister soon back school will be arrived. Okay, guys, more videos coming. Alright, guys, it's noon time, and I'm going to fix something mess up on my bike. Actually, it's not a big deal, you know. So it's one of the lock. You see right here, it's some rubber rock, which maybe it's a lock, you know. When we fix this stuff here, it's locked like that. So I realized you know, it's maybe get a small mistake and then it's fall down. So I don't know where it's fall. So right now I'm heading to Border Town to fix that in a mechanic shop, you know. So it's not a big deal. I don't want to mess with my bike. It's remaining the way it is. But if maybe you give somebody you know, to drive your bike, when that's maybe something mess up, they didn't fix, and then maybe they didn't tell you. But it's my private jet. I know how to handle it with those stuff here and there, you know. So I think also by next week on Monday, I'm going up to Kisii where I bought that bike. So to have a logbook, you know. Without a logbook, maybe it doesn't show you like you bought a bike, you know. When you have a logbook for your car, for your motorbike, for anything, it shows you like you own that motorbike. That motorbike belongs to Hello Baby, to somewhere else. But right now, I paid the cash, all right. But I didn't, you know, like they didn't process for me immediately logbook. So it's like an insurance. If you don't have an insurance, you can't maybe drive your car. I'm telling you. So here, if maybe somebody denied, oh, this is my bike and whatever, the police said, bring the logbook. And then they prefer. But for me, by next week, man, we'll see that videos all the way up to Kisii, bring the logbook. But on today's videos, I'm going to fix that stuff. You can see, guys, it's dust here. Like, you wanna say, wash me. Wash me. Wash me. Wash me. So it shows you like it's dust. So there's no need I wash them, and then, you know, right now we are in summer season. And mostly I see the tourist people from abroad arrived in Africa, came to Border Town, going to Masai Mara. Other people, other tourists going to Serengeti. You know, if you're watching my yesterday videos, you'll see them, you know, other people went to Serengeti. So, like, I think in Africa, we have like the best wild animal, you know. And also there's a day I went to Masai Mara. You see the giraffe alongside the road, zebra, they are grazing there, buffaloes, you know, antelope, chimpanzee, you know, baboons. But if you maybe you try maybe like to disturb them, how you will see fire. So if you want to become friendly, like you buy bananas, you give chimpanzee, like you give chimpanzee or baboons, things like that. But like roughly, you see you are wrong there. So it's time to go up to border town. It's sunny day. Oh my god. That's what I'm calling home. That's my dad's home. That's my grandma home. Imagine my grandma here, my dad's here. Maybe in future my house will be here. We are staying, like we are surrounded here. Oh my god. See right there. So chicken are looking something to do. Yeah. So I was doing a little bit cleanness in my house. So I decided to go out. Sweet home sweet. Please guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. And I don't know what you think about on today's vlog. I don't know what do you think about on today's vlog. So this is a brand new bike. I don't want to spoil it. Bye. So I'm tightening my camera because I realized it's just like hanging, Okay. Fixing the issues here and there. Yeah. See people on the motorbike. Like in our village here, especially where I came from, we have a lot of motorbike, So if you stand there like 5 minutes, you find a motorbike. Even 2 minutes, motorbike. Let's go. And I'm gonna release these videos earlier. So for my premiere again today, you enjoy full series. But in the morning I was interacting with my family, one-on-one. Mom, 2 brothers, sisters, Maybe this video could be crazy. Okay. Here we go. So the good thing about me, I shoot the videos. When I'm saying I'm going to do something, you will see. Village vibe. Oh, Dunga. Bakai. Chapu kidogo tu. This is a village shop here. Banana plantation. So that guys okay. Pero ahora se tiene de vez que yeah, you're making exercise. You know, me, I prefer to ride a bicycle like that, not motorbike. You know, you see, that's a good exercise. I'm telling you, for free. Stretching your legs, you know, muscles here and there, right, left, center. Guarda, se io devo tacciare. Aha. Muda ni mchache. We have a Chiva school here, covered by mabati.
My bike.
Your bike. Life in the village.
Yes, enjoy that.
Yeah, I see you enjoying. Hey. Hey. Guys, can you try that? And it's not a gear bicycle.
You are a free gear.
Just push using your energy.
Yes.
Hey. Yeah. Haya tangulia bwana. Village life. You see? We have another bicycle, like mountain bicycle like this. It's meant for the gears. You exchange front gears and backward gears. You know? No. Tengo cora. Ah. See guys. I'm telling you. Alright guys, on this side here is a dump site. I wonder, at night it's smelling so bad. Look at that. But even when it's sunny day, I am an Antaraman. Dunga moja. Right. So after this moment, I'm gonna meet the tarmac road, which is the main road that we have here. I connect to border town. Truck. Oh, well done. All right. So this is the main road that we have here. Without connect to this road, we can't go to Nairobi. We can't go to Mombasa. Oh, that's a school right there by the name St. Anne's. You see down there, and then on the other side there's a hospital or a clinic. I think it's a health center right there. Again, that's a church. Also, you have a boys' school here. You see right here? That is Banya Boys. Yeah, man. So, we need to start kind of, you know. Let me go slowly. Look at that. Village life. Yeah, some activities that have been carried out here of selling and buying maize. Hey, Brian! Yeah. Yeah. I saw the guy of the tuk-tuk here. Yeah. Kopo man nangangana huku. Haya. Yeah. Yeah. Guys are going to hustle. Both is a job. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel, guys, you know. Click subscribe. Okay. Doko barabara. Yeah. Woo! Mimi naenda kufix kitu fulani hapo. Tagongana. Yeah. I'm telling you, we see you later. Yeah, man. That's up the other side. We're gonna move it, man. You know. This is border town. No. Oh, look at that. Yoba, kuja nacho, njoo nacho. Boom. Yeah, I need to fix that thing right here. Already somebody installed my bathroom, man, from here. So that's a show. Yeah. Ulikuwa kuja hapo?
Nataka nirekebishe hapo.
Hata mimi nirekebishia hapo. So I'm still waiting, guys, you know. Maybe somebody will install my battery here without this lock. So the good thing is to put that lock. You know, here you can't open without this key. You know. So okay, let me check it. Imagine, guys, something small like this. And then you fixed it here. No joke. Choma. Karaka kona kafikia kunywa karenge.
Ile ni original kwa.
Siri katika ni kamili katika.
Sasa ile nakati ya kufunga.
Asante. Guys, right now it's just okay. You can see. So I'm trying to protect my battery here. Although my battery cooled down, but when I get the money, I'll fix the new one. Okay. So tourist vehicle, 4x4. If I'm traveling here, I'm telling you. You know, tourist vehicle, KBMW, 4x4, Randy Cruiser. Oh, yeah, man. We have another one in front of me. Yeah, this is a good company. People are making money here. No joke. Yeah, guys, no jokes here. So we try to go see tourists are making money here. And this one is a tourist. If you want to book, this guy is 254-7148-2370. It's Steve Katere. I can't wait to see Jamaica like traveling commando. You know. When tourists are inside, mostly Chinese. Man, I can't wait to see commando tourist vehicle. Hey, if you experience, man, these are ready. Look, everyone coming. I can't wait to see that. I'm telling you. Look at that. 4x4. KDM. Hey. People are so blessed. People are investing money, man. Look at that. Oh. It's a rally for the tourists, 4x4. Oh. That's how it looks like. I'm telling you. Woo. I'm showing you guys, if maybe somebody wake up in the morning counting safari rallies, those around the cruiser, man, it's a lot, trust me and believe on me, a lot. Down there, like you see, it's around 4 of them. Haha. Around 12 there. That's how you're bouncing it. Yeah. That's how your pants looks like. Good people. Nashuka hapa chini. So guys, right now I just with my brother here. Say hello, hold.
Yeah, hello guys. This is Maj_KE. Yeah, welcome back to Hello Baby's channel. Yeah, a new day and a beautiful day of course, and in the village, Africa. Yeah, we are from the village. This is Africa, guys. And in case you guys don't know, that is my home just near the road. Yeah, so thank you so much for hosting me once again. How have you been, bro?
I'm good, bro. You know, hustling is everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere, of course. Yeah, we are hustling here, outside here. And our village right now is full of people dying every single day. Yeah, so
when your time reach,
yeah.
Why not? No one will stop like, oh, my brother or like my uncle don't never die.
Yeah.
Your time reach,
only God.
Only God knows.
Yes. But anyway, guys, we are doing well, and we are struggling hard to make it. Yeah. This is the way that we are going, guys. Hello Baby is at work, you know. Yeah. are going to Nasta's place.
Yes. Transporter.
Transporter.
Yes.
So he's transporting me to Nasta's place.
Right now, it's a dry season. You see, one is coming from. When it's a dry season, maybe August, maybe signs of
August.
yeah.
For now, no rain until August.
Maybe next week.
So you see, people have just started also like trying to. People are almost now planting, waiting for the rains to come, and then they plant.
Down here.
Yes, Nasto's home.
You
It's over
understand,
there.
10 years coming.
Mhm.
This place could be a palace. Where
Yeah.
it's high.
This will be like an estate.
Yeah, where it's high.
Yeah. Of course. So yeah, Nasto's
If you
home.
don't know, guys, this is Nastor's place.
Yeah.
Guys, right now I'm heading home. You know, I'm telling you. That's a KK. Iga? So that's our school right here, where my brother and sister lands. I'm telling you. Oh my God. See some kids running. Look at that. Me there. Wagwan for my Jamaican family. Hi, Rastafari. Hi too. I'm telling you, any angle that I'm passing, more greeting to you. Lolo. And they're going to school. Wow. Today is a super calm. I love that house, man, from a distance. Look at that. That's mad. That's good. Nalamba Lolo. Right. We still come. Heading this way. So on today's videos are very, very special. Right now people are planning to plant maize. There's some goats here crazy. Look at that. We have another one right there. Oh, my home village. Woo. Wagwan. Yeah, we have a sharp corner here, but I need to be very careful. Very careful. I'm telling you. All right, because around you know, around the village here also we have funeral, and I need you know, to support them with my bike. Like I pick people and then going to the funeral. Yeah, you know. This craziest maybe, and I don't want to film because people say hello baby is too much. Beja, good my brother. So I'll come later, you know, to fix and all stuff. That's my home. So I'm coming at the end of this video. This video up. We have right there Maja, because the guy who working at his hardware, he passed his relative, you know, so his relative died. So I need to direct him. As usual, I'm ending this video. I don't want to like shooting, oh, a lot people, oh, funeral in our village, you know. It's too much at the same time. I know even me one day I will die. But when God say yes, I'm ready to go. See my sister here. You know, we have water. See them playing here. You know. Yeah, we have a lot of firewood. Eh, to remind me when I was a kid. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, Phil.
Hello.
They are playing here. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos by God's grace. And in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. So I want to end my video, guys. Bye.